L. Create a professional, engaging and beginner-friendly YouTube video script titled, Local SEO for Small Business. How to rank higher on Google. The video should be approximately 8 to 10 minutes long. Target audience. Small business owners, shop owners, entrepreneurs, consultants, contractors, clinics, restaurants and local service providers. Tone. Professional, confident, practical, friendly and easy to understand. Use natural spoken English and short sentences suitable for AI narration. Begin with a strong hook explaining that customers are already searching online for nearby products and services, but businesses with weak local visibility may lose those customers to competitors. Explain local SEO clearly and show how it helps businesses appear in Google Search and Google Maps. Cover these topics in a logical step-by-step structure. 1. What local SEO means. 2. Why local SEO matters for small businesses. 3. Google's main local ranking factors: relevance, distance and prominence. 4. Creating and verifying a Google business profile. 5. Using the real business name. 6. Selecting the correct primary business category. 7. Completing the address, service area, phone number, website and opening hours. 8. Keeping business information consistent across Google, the website and trusted directories. 9. Writing a clear and useful business description. 10. Uploading genuine photographs of the shop, office, team, products and completed projects. 11. Collecting honest customer reviews. 12. Responding professionally to positive and negative reviews. 13. Adding products and services to the Google business profile. 14. Improving the business website for local search. 15. Creating individual pages for important services. 16. Making the website mobile-friendly and fast. 17. Creating useful local content. 18. Building accurate business citations. 19. Earning relevant local links. 20. Using local business structured data. 21. Publishing regular Google business profile updates. 22. Monitoring calls, website visits, directions and customer actions. 23. Common local SEO mistakes to avoid. 24. Why nobody can guarantee the #1 position on Google. Include practical examples for furniture companies, restaurants, clinics, contractors, consultants and other local businesses. Explain that local SEO is a long-term process based on accurate information, genuine reviews, useful content, professional photographs and regular updates. Do not include production instructions, pronunciation notes, editing notes, visual directions or comments intended for the video creator. End with this exact spoken conclusion. Djeema Digital Marketing helps small businesses with professional website design, local SEO, Google business profile optimization, digital business cards and social media marketing. Visit djeema.com and subscribe for more practical digital marketing tutorials.